message that I would like to share to the world about the FAIR principles. I would say that the main focus is on awareness. If people are aware of the benefits of the FAIR principles, they will also advocate for the adoption of the principles. And I think slowly people will perceive how they impact other fields.
Is there a message for the whole world? Maybe adopt FAIR principles, learn about it, become more aware, become more digitally competent, also our decision makers, so that we can really start implementing FAIR and that people invest in it. In the end, it will save money.